Hello everyone, this is Mr. Roman from Huathai Group's Bangladesh office. Today, let me show you Huathai Group's independently developed 80 metric ton fully automatic rice processing line is over there. It's a top-selling high-efficiency rice milling machine in the market. First is paddy cleaning and impurities removal section. This is vibrating screen. It removes dust, straw and other impurities from the paddy. And then this is gravity destoner. It removes sand, stone for pure raw materials. This is paddy husker, which gently removes husk to minimize broken rice. The paddy separator efficiently separates husk from the brown rice. Next is the core milling process, 4 stages whitening and polishing. It includes 2 sand rollers for whitening and 2 iron rollers for polishing. It features low temperature, low pressure processing to preserve rice nutrition. It reduces breakage and increases whole grain yield by over 20%. The 3-dimensional rice cooling bin uses advanced tempering for even cooling. The white rice grater properly classified grain by size. The color sorter removes discolored grains with 99% purity. Mist polishing adds a glossy shine for better market acceptance. This is secondary white rice grater, allows customized packaging. The line uses Huathai self-developed PLC control and modular design to minimize the cost. Our Huathai products are sold in 60 plus countries with office in 20 plus nations. Our comprehensive after-sales service ensures smooth operation. For premium grain and oil equipment, you can choose our Huathai as your reliable partner.